Looking for a smarter way to keep your food fresh longer? In today's video, we're diving into the power of a compact vacuum sealer, the space-saving kitchen essential that helps reduce waste, lock in flavor, and save money. Whether you meal prep or store leftovers, this handy device makes food preservation fast, easy, and efficient. There are many compact vacuum sealer to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the compact vacuum sealer from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer for Food is a smart, space-saving solution designed to keep your food fresh longer while helping you reduce waste and save money. With its powerful yet simple one-touch operation, this device vacuum seals bags in under 5 seconds and automatically shuts off, making food preservation quick and effortless. Unlike bulky traditional machines, its compact, handheld design, about the size of a pepper grinder, makes it perfect for modern kitchens, travel, camping, or RV use. The rechargeable battery is highly efficient, capable of sealing up to 1,000 bags on a single charge, ensuring long-lasting performance. It includes 30 BPA-free reusable and resealable bags that are safe for the dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, and microwave, helping preserve flavor, texture, and nutrition across a wide range of foods including meats, vegetables, fruits, leftovers, and more. Customers appreciate its portability, convenience, and cost-saving benefits, noting that food stays fresh significantly longer. While some users mention occasional sealing inconsistencies or challenges with cleaning bags, most find it a reliable and practical upgrade from traditional vacuum sealers. Backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty, it offers confidence with every use. Number 2. FoodSaver Mini Handheld Vacuum Sealer Machine with Marinate setting is a compact, versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify food storage while enhancing flavor and freshness. This sleek, rechargeable device fits comfortably in your hand and offers 7 different uses, including marinating proteins and vegetables, infusing oils, sous vide cooking, and sealing food for pantry, fridge, or freezer storage. Its standout auto marinate mode allows you to infuse rich flavor into your meals in just minutes instead of hours when used with the dedicated marinate container, ensuring safe handling of liquids. The powerful vacuum system removes air efficiently to create an airtight seal that helps prevent freezer burn and extend food freshness, ultimately reducing waste and saving money. Equipped with intuitive LED color-coded lights, it clearly displays sealing progress, charging status, and battery level for hassle-free operation. The long-lasting rechargeable battery fully charges in 2.5 hours and can seal up to 35 quart bags per charge, making it ideal for both home use and travel. Customers appreciate its ease of use, portability, and effectiveness in preserving food, though some report concerns with durability, battery life, and long-term reliability, making it a convenient yet mixed performance option. Number 3. ZWILLING Fresh and Save Vacuum Sealer Machine Starter Set is an all-in-one food preservation system designed to keep your meals fresher up to 5 times longer while helping you save both time and money. This convenient 6-piece set includes a rechargeable vacuum pump, 1 large vacuum storage container, and 4 reusable vacuum bags in small and medium sizes, making it ideal for meal prep, storage, and on-the-go use. The easy zip closures ensure a secure seal, while the durable bags are freezer-safe, dishwasher-safe, and microwave-safe without vacuum sealing, offering flexibility for everyday needs. Perfect for refrigerating, freezing, sous vide cooking, or marinating, this system allows you to prepare meals in advance and enjoy fresh-tasting food days later. The compact vacuum pump quickly extracts air with a single touch and automatically stops once the optimal seal is achieved, locking in flavor, aroma, and nutrients. Additionally, the ZWILLING Culinary World app helps track stored food and monitor freshness to reduce waste. Customers appreciate its ease of use, compact design, and effective freshness preservation, though some report mixed experiences with durability and bag sealing performance, making it a versatile yet occasionally inconsistent solution for modern kitchens. Number 4. 95 kilopascals vacuum sealer machine with AquaLock technology is a powerful, all-in-one food preservation solution designed for maximum efficiency, versatility, and long-lasting freshness. Featuring an advanced 10-in-1 functionality, it offers dry and moist modes, along with normal and gentle pressure settings, ensuring optimal sealing for everything from delicate vegetables to dense meats. Equipped with a robust 130W dual pump motor, it delivers up to 95 kilopascal suction power, creating airtight seals in as little as 5 to 20 seconds while maintaining consistent performance with upgraded gasket support. The innovative AquaLock system, combined with double sealing technology using wider heating strips and multi-layer heating wires, enhances seal strength and keeps food fresh up to 8 times longer. Designed with user convenience in mind, it includes a built-in bag cutter, internal storage for rolls and accessories, a countdown display for real-time progress, and a sturdy commercial-style handle for quick locking. The stainless steel finish and removable drip tray make cleaning simple and hassle-free. Additionally, Smart App integration allows you to scan food, track storage dates, and receive expiration reminders for better organization and reduced waste. Customers praise its quiet operation, strong sealing performance, and ability to handle various foods without crushing, making it a reliable kitchen essential. Number 5. Vesta Precision 12-inch chamber vacuum sealer with smart auto vacuum time is a premium, high-performance solution designed for precision food preservation and professional-level results at home. Featuring SmartVac intelligent control, this advanced system automatically detects food volume and sets the ideal vacuum cycle, eliminating guesswork while ensuring perfect seals for both liquids and solids without over or under vacuuming. Its powerful variable frequency pump delivers deep, consistent suction, making it ideal for sous vide cooking, marinating, and long-term storage. The spacious 8.1-quart chamber easily accommodates large cuts of meat, bulk portions, and liquid-rich foods like soups and marinades without spills, while the universal mason jar sealing feature extends versatility for preserving dry goods, pickles, and more. Designed for convenience and hygiene, the removable clean tray and washable 12-inch seal bar allow quick, effortless cleaning, keeping the chamber fresh and odor-free. Built with durable stainless steel and a transparent soft-close lid, it ensures safe, smooth operation and long-lasting reliability. Customers appreciate its consistent performance, especially the automated marinating cycles that enhance flavor infusion, along with its roomy interior and easy maintenance, making it a dependable modern upgrade for serious home cooks and food enthusiasts. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.